In our Bible story, we learned that Jesus rode an animal into Jerusalem. What animal did he ride? The donkey, the colt. And why did Jesus ride a donkey instead of just walk on in? I'm going to add a new word to our word ball. And let me see if I can grab it here. And that word is ride. Notice the I is long because of that silent E. R-I-D. The Bible told us what Jesus would do long before he was on earth. Those sayings are called prophecies. The Bible told us that the king would come humbly riding on a donkey colt. Jesus did everything the Bible said he would do. Jesus took a ride on a donkey. What animals have you ridden? Can you imagine taking a ride on clouds or frogs or, Carter, how about dinosaurs? Dolphins? Surfboards or kites? Well, I think this ride was just as special as the one in our imagination. This ride marked the beginning of Holy Week. Now, the church celebrates that date that Jesus went riding into Jerusalem on a day called Palm Sunday. And so today we're going to turn to page 10 in our book, to a page that looks like this. At the top it says, Seek, Find, and Fix. I want you to use the stickers from the middle of your book, the stickers that look like this. I want you to use those stickers to show what's wrong with this picture. The stickers have a scarlet letter X on it, and scarlet is the warm red color used in church for Palm Sunday. Think about the Bible story while you look at the picture. Does this picture show what happened in our story? No. Let's look for the mistakes together. When we find one, we'll put a sticker on it. All right, I bet you already see some things that are wrong here. All right, well, the first one I see is Jesus didn't ride a horse, so I'm going to put a sticker right there. The second one I see is, wait a minute, that's a Christmas tree back there. That can't be there. Do you see something else wrong with this? Wait a minute, is that boy putting down a kite? Did the people put down kites? No, they did not. Go ahead and put your third sticker on the kite. The people put down their cloaks and palm branches on the ground. Now, I see another kite in this picture. Do you see that little girl? She shouldn't have a kite in her hand. People held on to palm branches that day. I'm looking for something else that you see might be wrong. Oh, wait a minute. Look on Jesus' head. Did Jesus ride into Jerusalem wearing a crown? No, he did not. That was not important to him at all. And wait a minute. Did he ride into Jerusalem carrying a sword? No, he did not. That was not important to him either. All right, there's something else wrong in this picture. I think you probably have spied it by now. There's two of them, and both of them are wrong. When Jesus came into Jerusalem, did he have two guards with him to protect him? No, he did not. We have found the 10 things that are wrong in this picture. Well done, boys and girls. Go ahead and look then at the Bible words at the bottom of the page. They come from Psalm 91, verse 1. Sing to the Lord a new song. Can you read that with me? Sing to the Lord a new song. And while we go back to our stickers, let's find the sticker that says, Sing to the Lord a new song. Let's place it on top of that Bible so we have the words in our Bible story. Excellent. Now there's one other special activity we're going to do today. Yesterday I asked you to find 12 eggs and to number them, so I hope you have your 12 eggs. Today we are going to put some things in those 12 eggs. The first thing we're going to put in our 12 eggs is a palm. a palm branch. Now, you're thinking, Miss Van Winkle, where am I going to get a palm branch? Well, I'm going to open up my egg. I went looking outside, and I didn't realize how many different things I had outside that looked like a palm. So I'm going to take this palm, and I'm going to put it in my first egg right like this. I'm going to set this over here just for a minute. The second thing that we're going to put in our eggs is a donkey. Now, I have to tell you, boys and girls, I don't have a donkey around my house. And it was going to be rather hard for me to make a donkey. Some of you might have a little donkey, but I decided I could just draw a picture of a donkey. Now, here's what I did. I took an oval, and I gave that oval some real tall ovals on top of it. And you probably know what those are, and put a little hair in there too. And then I kind of extended and made a big oval. And then I put on that oval a really skinny yet hairy tail. Now my oval needs the big donkey eyes. So I did another oval. I can do another oval. And he needs his nostrils. And I'm going to put hair coming all the way down his neck there. I think that would look more like a funny donkey. And last but not least, my donkey needs some legs. I did some rectangles. And you could do rectangles too. I could put one coming here. I could do another one maybe under here. You know, he's not perfect, but he's my donkey. And I can even write the word donkey on here so that if someone sees it, they know this is my donkey. Then I'm going to fold up this donkey, and I'm going to put him in my second egg. And I can close that egg. My third egg, I'm going to find my third egg. I'm going to put a crown because Jesus is our king. And he didn't want to be treated like a king, but he is our king. So I just took, from the other day when we made our bracelets, I just took a pipe cleaner and I added some beads. Again, if you don't have any of these things, you can draw. You can draw a crown, or maybe go on the computer and print out a picture of the crown. And I'm going to put that crown in my egg. Now, somebody who opens my egg might not know that that's a crown. So I took a little piece of paper and cut it, and I'm going to write the word crown on it. It's important that we label everything. And then I'll put that piece of paper with the crown in there. And I can tell myself that that crown's in there and tell others because Jesus is my king. And this is the story of what happened to my king at Holy Week. I think I better label my palm too. So I'm going to put palm. And the palm is in there, we remember, because the palm marks the beginning of Holy Week on Palm Sunday when Jesus rode into Jerusalem on a camel. Joking. On a donkey. So now I've made my first 3 eggs. I've got a palm in this one. I've got my donkey in the second one. They're all rolling away from me. And I have got a crown in the third one. I hope you have fun today making up your special eggs and then have a special place to put them. Tomorrow we're going to work on the next 3 eggs. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.